don't know if it's going to take or not.
Stand her behind it, Chandler, so she can get a picture of you, see how big it is compared to the icicle.
Can you move that one?
Here's the icicle, part of it that they just took off of the house. As you can see, it is as tall as the brat. And I meant Eric. Oh, there's Eric's got the other part of it. Holy cow. Now there's a fishing story. And there's poor Brian. Wave, Brian. He never can get away from us.
Oh.
There's Eric as an old person trying to get through the snow. I hope this takes. I hope it's my glasses are really dark that it's not turned. Oh yeah, it's taken. Go stand beside Booger Butt. Booger Butt.
You gotta hold it up high.
See that put a little weight on the. What are they called? Rain spouts? Gutter? What is it? Amazing. Love this winter. Okay, I got it.
Put your tongue in your mouth.
Chandler, make a sculpture. I want to see a likeness of Grandma. What?